it slow, like it wouldn't break. Every word we chose, every breath we fake. Your hand slipped out like a quiet mistake, and I felt the silence start to ache. There's a glass on the table, you didn't move, still catching light like it's watching you. I almost turned when I felt that shift, like you left behind something